नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं श्रेया कत्याल आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत करती हूँ रूबरू में। हम हैं मारवा स्टूडियोज़ में और यहाँ पे ज़ोरों शोरों से हमारा 10th ग्लोबल फिल्म फेस्टिवल चल रहा है। हमारे साथ बहुत सारे सेलिब्रिटीज़ हैं और अभी मैं बात करने वाली हूँ एक एमिनेंट डायरेक्टर से, केतन आनंद। तो चलते हैं और जानते हैं कि फिल्म मेकिंग के जो सीक्रेट्स हैं वो क्या होते हैं, इनकी जर्नी कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुई थी और काफ़ी सारी इंस्पिरेशन लेते हैं इनसे। हाय सर, वेलकम टू मारवा स्टूडियोज़।
थैंक यू।
सबसे पहले तो मैं आपसे ये पूछती हूँ कि अभी इतना एक्सपीरियंस है आपको इंडस्ट्री का काम करने का, इतने अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स आपने दिए हैं हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को, तो आपका ये जो सफ़र है ये कहाँ से शुरू हुआ था और कैसे आपको लगा कि मुझे इस फिल्मी दुनिया में जाना चाहिए?
फिल्मी दुनिया में तो मैं पैदा हुआ हूँ। तो मेरा सफ़र ही नहीं
वो
था।
तो मतलब फिर भी
नहीं
आपने
था।
मतलब डिसाइड तो किया होगा ना, ऐसे तो नहीं था कि चेतन सर ने आपको बोला?
I was actually studying history
Okay.
in St. Stephen's College, and my mother's side of the family, they're all intellectuals, and all have been professors in various subjects. So I was actually studying to get into the foreign service or the administrative service.
Okay.
Yeah.
So see, I got it right.
You got it right. So when I was in college, St. Stephen's, they generally have ragging.
Okay.
ठीक है ना? And everybody was fishing for me because this is साला देवानंद का nephew, इसको पकड़ो. Hey, fresher, come here, you know. And suddenly there was this tall man who came to me. He says, "Come here, tall, handsome fellow." He says, "My name is Kabir Bedi."
Okay.
He was a year senior to me. So you want to escape from the ragging, you come and join the Shakespeare Society. He was in charge of that.
Okay.
And we'll do plays together and you forget all this.
अच्छा,
So I got into the acting mold with him.
तो वहाँ से ट्रांसपोज किया आपने?
Yeah, and the next year I went and won the Best Actor award.
Wow.
So suddenly my genes started bouncing and dancing, you know. And I wrote to my father saying, "To hell with IAS, I'm coming to join you."
So what was his reaction?
He says, "I've been waiting for you." Because he knew.
Okay.
He knew.
So this is
because
going to
we've
happen.
grown up in the whole atmosphere,
True.
playing with my uncle, unki godi mein. My Gusha guy, he used to call me, you know, Dev Saab. He had his own style. I was one of his favorite nephews.
Okay.
बहुत प्यार करते थे मुझे. तो मेरा गुशा गाय है तू, गुशा गाय. बस ऐसे लगे
That is
रहते
so
थे.
cute.
हाँ, very cute. And then my father had picked us up, me and my brother, and put us in a shot in one of the songs of one of the films also.
Okay.
तो अंकल के पीछे भाग रहे हैं like this, you know,
तो
गाना
what
चल रहा है.
तब मतलब कॉलेज ड्यूरेशन में ही आपने डिसाइड किया था? कॉलेज वाला टाइम आई मस्ट से?
Yeah, because at that time I was, you know, in that
बचपन में
intellectual
भी
mold.
actor थे?
नहीं बचपन में नहीं, स्कूल में मैंने प्ले किया था. I played Mark Antony. There again also I won an award for best actor. But वो इतना वो उसका असर नहीं हुआ था. वो फीलिंग नहीं आई थी कि ये मेरा प्रोफेशन बन सकता है.
मैं कह सकती हूँ कि
यहाँ फीलिंग आई थी.
मेरे को लगता है कि जैसे हम लोग कहते हैं कि चिराग तले अंधेरा होता है, तो शायद आपके पास वो चिराग था तो शायद तब अंधेरा था.
ऐसा हो सकता
है ना?
You may be right.
रियलाइज नहीं हुआ शुरू से कि अच्छा मैं तो हुआ ही पैदा ही फिल्मी दुनिया में हुआ, तो वो क्रेज नहीं तब.
Because you see the thing is कि when you're born in a family with film personalities who are already famous, तो आपके लिए वो famous नहीं है ना.
True.
आपके लिए वो एक अंकल है.
True.
आपके साथ खेलता है, आप उसकी गोद में बैठते हो. वो भी अंकल है, ये आपका पिताजी है. तो it's daddy and uncles, you know, and you don't feel that awe.
हाँ, कुछ अलग.
In fact, when I was growing up, my favorite actor was Shami Kapoor.
Okay.
I want to be like Shami uncle, you know. You know? So it was like that. And then I got the opportunity to work with Sharma ji in a film I was directing for Gulshan Kumar called Aaja Meri Jaan. We launched Kishan Kumar in that.
Okay.
And it was inspired from Vijay Anand's Teesri Manzil. And I got Shami Kapoor to do a role there.
Amazing.
When I went to him, he said, "Hey, Premnath ka role main nahi karega." मैंने नहीं, we have written a new role for you.
अच्छा.
Okay.
अच्छा, ऐसी डिमांड्स होती हैं एक्टर्स.
विलन नहीं करेगा, हीरो बन चुका है ना. तो
I can understand that.
But it was lovely working with him. Such a wonderful man. When I told him, I said, "You were my favorite." Shh, don't tell your uncle. Huh?
He might be jealous. Okay, so अच्छा, अब एक डायरेक्टर को क्या प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करनी पड़ती हैं अपना प्रोजेक्ट मटेरियलाइज करने में, आप बताइए.
As I spoke to the students the other day. I told them that look, when I first joined my father, so set per I was full of St. Stephen's College intellectualism. So I went to him and I said, would you mind telling me what's the first rule of filmmaking? So he looked at me, he says, there are no rules. But then he looked at me again, he says, but then you must learn the grammar.
Okay, yeah.
Then you can break all the rules. And he was like that in his life also. He was an organic filmmaker. He would work both with the discipline of a complete script, that like we did in Heer Ranjha. That was my first film also. I was associate producer in that and an assistant director. And then he would go totally organic and in films like Hakikat, which was written on the sets, and Aakhri Khat, which was literally with a handheld camera, written while they were walking on the street with the little baby.
Oh, that way.
They were creating the film. It was literally, this is what I tell the student, pick up your camera and use it like a pen.
मतलब कुछ भी करते रहो.
करते नहीं, कहानी निकलती रहती है. क्योंकि देखो एक
Step
छोटा
तो लो.
बच्चा जा रहा है, उसको आप कैंडिडली फॉलो कर रहे हो, ठीक है ना. अगर किसी ने सड़क पर चलते चलते वो रो रहा है और उसको उठा लिया, अरे किसका बच्चा है, तो आपकी कहानी बदल जाती है वहाँ. और किसी ने नहीं उठाया तो आप कहते हो कि देखो कितनी हमदर्द, ये कितनी ये बेरहम दुनिया है, एक बच्चे को सहारा नहीं दे रही है, वो बेचारा शायद भूखा मर रहा होगा, पता नहीं किसका बच्चा है, कोई पूछ ही नहीं रहा. सो ही वांटेड टू प्रूव अ पॉइंट. So he was doing experiments. Also the unit people used to walk with Bunty, that little fellow, but he was only 15 months old. He had not even cut a tooth and he could only say 3 words, Dede, Mama, Dudu, bye. So
Amazing. तो सर एक चीज़ मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ आपसे कि जब हम काम करते हैं लाइक रियल लाइफ और रियल लाइफ काफ़ी डिफरेंट होती है, तो लाइक व्हाट फिल्म मेकर्स जो हैं या मीडिया पर्सन मैं कहूँ, उनकी एक बहुत बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है कि हम लोगों के माइंड को शेप कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो इसमें आपके क्या व्यूज हैं?
Yes and no. See, the thing is that filmmaking is a very funny thing. It springs from all the arts. Okay. And all the arts are actually a reflection of life. Okay. And a reflection of life not only in terms of the human being, but in terms of everything that life offers you. That's how music was born. And it's also a science.
Film is a mirror of society.
And it is also a commercial business. So a lot of money is spent making films. So it has a lot of complications in it. But basically, all theatre or all cinema or all audiovisual depends on something called suspended disbelief.
Okay.
Okay, this is the magic of a writer or a maker to make you believe in what is happening on the screen. Okay,
So that is
ऐसा
what
हो रहा है. Star Wars now, we are not out in
वही तो मैं
space.
पूछना चाहती
So
हूँ कि क्या
that suspended
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है.
disbelief, वो जादू अगर टूट जाता है तो ऑडियंस कहती है, उनको सोचने का आपने समय दे दिया तो आपकी फिल्म फ्लॉप.
पर क्या सोचवाना है उनको, ये हमारे हाथ
वो
में है.
आपके अंदर है, वो
Responsibility.
आपका पैशन है, क्योंकि there you have to tell the truth. The camera never lies. It's a blank thing ना. अगर मैं एक बनावटी शक्ल बना के बैठा रहूंगा, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं वो एक झलक आएगी जो मेरे आंखों में नहीं नजर आएगी आपको, लेकिन कैमरा को नजर आ जाएगी.
हाँ, वो बहुत सेंसिटिव होता है.
Sensitive is plain, is telling you the truth. Blank टक चल रहा है, you know.
सो सर आप आज हमारे 10th ग्लोबल फिल्म फेस्टिवल में हमारे साथ यहाँ पर हैं. आपने ओरिएंट भी करे काफ़ी सारे सेशंस और यहाँ का क्राउड देखा, यहाँ का एटमॉस्फेयर देखा, तो आई वांट टू नो कि आपकी फीलिंग्स क्या हैं, आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा आज?
I loved it. मैं आपके बोल रहा था उनको, मारवा साहब को, कि नंबर 1, आई एम वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड विथ हिज पर्सनैलिटी. नॉट बिकॉज he is such a good speaker and इतनी शेर शायरी और ये वो जानते हैं, he is an entertainer, but he has a capacity to reach out to the student on almost like a one-on-one, like he's some elder friend or brother,
Indeed.
rather than just a authority, you know. तो ये जो है capacity, the same thing if you notice is if it's there in a sensitive filmmaker, he will hit the target.
True.
You know. My father
सबको
was,
equal feel कर.
yeah, my father was one of the most underplayed filmmakers of his time, but yet it is his cinema that lives on. You will see a Hakikat, you will see Heer Ranjha, you will see Aakhri Khat, and you will go on seeing it over a period of time. But he was not one of those people who bang, who was like Devanand, you know. In fact, he is only remembered through his films. In fact, that's what he used to say also.
So you have to be very genuine
Yeah, he
and
used to say
very
that-
connected to your work, I must say.
He says you must be dedicated to your work.
Dedicated to your work. It should come from your heart.
It should come from your heart and you must be sincere to your work. It's like when two people are in love, I can say I love you, but I may be bluffing you.
Exactly.
I may be just a Facebook friend,
True.
taking you for a ride. वो एक झलक होती है, chemistry होती है, एक feeling होती है, and a filmmaker has to have a love affair with his audience. That is a general love affair. I remember
Yeah.
sometimes Dev Saab used to sit alone, towards the end of his life. And कोई था नहीं, कभी कभी मैं पहुंच जाता था, तुमकी आओ बैठो बैठो बैठो, आप उदास नहीं हूँ, I can never be sad. So why? He says because I have so many people who are my fans, they love me.
वो
He says
वाइब्रेशन
और कुछ नहीं रहता, आपकी फैमिली नहीं रहती, आपके दोस्त नहीं रहते, you don't know who your friends are, you don't know who's wanting to use you, because fame is a very strange thing. It makes you very lonely. It makes you very insecure also. In fact, some of the most insecure people are the famous people.
it is
But he
always
says that love that I have and the people have of me, that is the relationship.
it is always said that people might not remember what you said to them, but they will always remember how you made them feel. So that is the thing which
Exactly.
you said just
Exactly.
right now.
That's it.
I am really blessed that I could talk to you today and you are here. Thanks for your gracious
Not
presence.
at all, not at all.
And-
My only advice to you, all you youngsters, is be sincere in what you're doing.
That's what I'm
You will
asking now.
not lose the target. Hit
Yeah.
it,
Exactly.
center of the frame. Sometimes they tell you ना वो block जैसे अभी वो कह रहा था correct करो, profile नहीं आ रही है. Classic thing is you either look left of frame or right of frame. You normally don't look into the frame. But I said no, look right into the frame sometimes, because that is your audience and you can directly talk to them sometimes. Talk to your audience, be with them, fall in love with them and make them fall in love with you.
And you will create wonders.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your blessings. Thanks for your inspiration, your positivity, and
Well,
thanks
always, because I come from a family of very positive people.
that I can see on your face.
Okay.
It is just shining with positivity and
Yeah.
tremendous aura.
रौनक रहनी चाहिए सब में.
सही कहा
हंसते
बिल्कुल.
रहो, खेलते रहो. and
और
carry on.
जिंदगी का कारवां आगे चलता रहेगा.
वो आता है ना, मैं जिंदगी के साथ नभाता चला गया, एक हर फिक्र धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया. This was written by Sahir Fudev Sahab.
Exactly.
He wrote it for him because he said this is your life. And if you take life like that, then life takes you like that also. It's a roller coaster, but you must learn to ride it. Up, down, whatever.
उसका क्या फायदा है कि जिंदगी ऐसे बिताता है कोई जैसे एहसान उतारता है कोई, वो भी तो गाना है हमारा. Some
वो भी
people
है,
tend to
वो
do
देखो,
that
हाँ,
ना.
गुरुदत्त भी है जो जोड़ा पी के पड़ जाता था, लेकिन ऐसे भी लोग हैं, उदास
But
लोग भी
I
हैं.
just don't appreciate that. Life is fun and it's only the way you
See,
look at it.
You are your own universe.
True.
Okay? You are your own heaven and your own hell.
Exactly.
It just depends on how you take your life in your hands and lead it and guide it. And don't worry about anything, because it's all a passing show ultimately anyways. It's all going to go by.
Exactly.
So enjoy it while it's there. You know?
Thank you, sir. Thanks for
Take
your
care.
blessings. Thank you.
Take care.
It was a wonderful
Entertain
meeting you.
people now. Because it's a great joy in entertaining, because entertaining means you're giving something to somebody.
Indeed.
And that's what the Dalai Lama also teaches today. He said, my religion is compassion. Cinema can teach you tremendous compassion.
थैंक यू सर, आपसे मिलकर मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा आज, और जो एक पॉजिटिव ऑरा आपने क्रिएट किया है और एक इंस्पिरेशन जो हमें दी है, पॉजिटिविटी दी है, दैट इज़ ट्रिमेंडस. थैंक यू. आई एम ब्लेस्ड दैट यू आर हियर. तो देखा आप लोगों ने कि कुछ भी अचीव करना है तो पॉजिटिविटी तो बस सबसे बड़ा की है सक्सेस का. उसको रखिए, हार्डवर्क करते रहिए, आगे बढ़ते रहिए. जब चेंज इज़ द परमानेंट थिंग इन लाइफ तो डरना किस बात का. Keep on sprinkling your stardust everywhere, stay positive, keep up the hard work and you will get success. आज के लिए रूबरू में बस इतना ही. मैं श्रेया कत्याल बहुत जल्द आऊँगी एक नए सेलिब्रिटी गेस्ट के साथ, और टिल देन यू कीप वॉचिंग MSTV, हर पल आपके साथ.